unbox the case first, and the coolest thing about the case, do you know where it's from? It's come from a place called Kangaroo Avenue.
Is that real?
Only in Australia. Boing, boing, boing. All right, let's do it.
All right.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, this looks nice.
It's a case.
Fancy.
Oh, that
Looks
was
like
that was nice.
fancy.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So here we have it. It's the iPad Pro case. It's actually in a box as well. Gorgeous. Whoa. I mean, this is stuff you see on the shelves, isn't it?
Yeah.
An iPad. Okay,
But it looks nice. I like it. You know?
So nice. All right, let's open it up. Okay, how do we open it up? Okay, there is a tab here. I wonder what you do now. Oh, maybe you push it. So you basically push it from the top here. Okay, it's nice. I like it.
It's got a demo iPad inside.
You don't need an iPad. You got one here. Oh, that's cool.
And this one, unlike the iPad Pro, this one works with real pencils.
I just wonder, like, how does it attach onto your actual iPad?
Magnetically.
Is it magnetic?
Yeah, it's magnets.
Oh, that's really cool. But the cool thing about this is you can actually, like, use it as a stand somehow. There we go.
What?
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
You gotta put the iPad on it. You gotta put it.
Like that. Just like that. Just like that.
All right, this case is gonna need an iPad to sit on it, isn't it?
This is what I would like to show you. That's it. That's your iPad unboxing done. No, we're not going to be that mean. Okay.
I think, look, there's a hole here for the camera.
Nice.
So you got to line up the camera with the camera,
Nice.
and you just, I guess, place it.
Oh, look at that. Easy as pie.
That's it.
Wow.
Locks in.
Woo.
Oh, closes.
Is it good? Oh, look. And it actually closed the iPad. When you close the lid, it closed the iPad.
Kind of like preview, see what's
That's
going
nice.
on.
And it opens the iPad when you open up the case. That's really cool.
Like this. Unfortunately, if you are taking pictures with this case, the camera gets blocked, so you got to do
You gotta bend it. You can bend it though.
It's a bit magnetic. So you got
You can bend it.
There you go.
That's clever.
There you go.
That's awesome. That is awesome. So you don't need to hold it out like a book or something like that.
Open.
Now you can display it, so you can actually bend the case back. Let's show them how to bend the case back. You're gonna do some magicry.
Oh, you want to do that?
Yeah.
You want to roll it? Oh, you can. Over here, sir, you can see that before you had no cheeks, and then afterwards we injected a bunch of filler in there, and now look, you got the cheeks of a harmonized male model.
And yeah, I think you've really benefited from this filler. So
and rather than trying to show them on a phone or
a
getting them around
camera,
a laptop,
DSLR
trying to use
or something like that.
trying to use a mouse to figure it out.
you can even, if you wanted to, like, if the lady's going to have lip fillers done, you can show her that, like, for example, your lips were really thin before, and now they're, like, super big.
What?
Look at that!
What is
That's
this?
awesome!
There you go. Definitely worth the $1,600.
Most certainly. So, drnora.com.
Do you like it? Is it good?
I like it.
What's your thoughts?
I
You
actually
agree?
really like it. No, I really enjoy it, and I'm going to go and take it away and play with it.
I think it's better than I thought it would be. It's
Yeah.
actually, it feels a lot sleek and nice. Money aside, just got to forget about the money.
Forget about the money.
It just feels like it'll be a bit of fun. Like I was pretty certain that the case would be a flop.
Yeah,
but
I was
it's-
about to say,
yeah.
I actually like the case.
Yeah, it's alright. It's
I think I'm going to keep the case, and I'm going to keep the pencil.
pencil.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
And this one, unlike the iPad Pro, this one works with real pencils.